Welcome to JRG Consulting Group's YouTube channel. In this short overview, we will walk you through how we support Greenfield manufacturing facility setups, from concept to operational ramp-up. The focus is simple: de-risk launch, hit volume on time, and protect margins while building a scalable operations backbone. Launching a new plant is one of the riskiest bets a company can make. Delays, cost overruns, and unstable processes can erase the original business case. Most failures are not about technology. They come from weak integration between site selection, layout, equipment, workforce, and the production system that ties it all together. We start with site selection and footprint strategy. That means evaluating regions and locations based on labor availability and skills, logistics networks and customer proximity, incentives and tax structures, and infrastructure readiness. The goal is to choose a site that supports the long-term business model and then right-size the footprint to future demand, not just day one. Next is regulatory and permitting navigation. Greenfield projects stall when permits, environmental reviews, and local codes are treated as an afterthought. We help create a clear map of regulatory requirements, timelines, and dependencies, and then align engineering, legal, and construction teams around that path. This reduces surprises and keeps the critical path moving. Once the site is defined, we design the facility layout and product flow. Using lean principles and theory of constraints, we position operations, support functions, and material handling to minimize travel, reduce WIP, and protect bottleneck assets. The objective is a flow-driven layout that supports safety, quality, and throughput from day one, not something that has to be reworked after startup. Capacity modeling and line design turn the business plan into engineered reality. We translate volume targets, mix and service levels into cycle times, staffing models, equipment counts, and buffer strategies. We use queuing analysis and simple digital twins to stress test different scenarios, so leaders understand the trade-offs between CapEx, throughput, and flexibility before committing to hardware. With line designs in place, we move into equipment specification and sourcing. That means defining performance requirements, integration needs, and data and connectivity expectations for each asset. We help teams avoid over-engineering, select the right level of automation, and build vendor packages that balance cost, reliability, and maintainability, all while supporting the future digital roadmap. Construction and commissioning is where plans meet reality. Here we focus on linking the project schedule to operational readiness. That includes coordinating equipment arrival and installation with utilities and building trades, planning phased commissioning, and making sure acceptance tests are tied to real production requirements. The goal is not just a finished building, but a facility that can safely and reliably produce. No plant succeeds without the right workforce. We help define workforce strategy and hiring models that match local labor markets and the complexity of the operation. That includes role design, staffing curves, training plans, and leadership structure. We build tiered daily management routines so supervisors and team leads can run the plant with clear expectations from the first day of operation. Supply chain and supplier readiness must be built in parallel with the plant. We work with procurement, planning, and logistics teams to validate supplier capacity, lead times, and quality, and to align inbound material flows with the new site's ramp-up plan. This reduces line stoppages caused by material gaps and ensures that launch volumes are actually achievable. Underneath the physical assets is the production system design. We deploy a lean and theory of constraints-based system that defines standard work, visual management, problem-solving routines, and performance governance. From day one, the plant runs on clear KPIs for safety, quality, delivery, and cost, with mechanisms to protect and elevate bottlenecks as demand grows. Finally, we manage operational ramp-up and KPI deployment. We help leadership teams translate the business case into a ramp curve, define milestone volumes and performance thresholds, and implement weekly launch cadences. This includes dashboard design and board-level communication, so stakeholders see early risks and wins in real time. The end state is a stable, scalable facility that delivers the EBITDA, throughput, quality, and on-time delivery the investment was built on. If you're planning a new facility, recovering a delayed launch, or simply want to de-risk your next Greenfield investment, JRG Consulting Group is here to help. We bring over 2 decades of hands-on experience across multiple Greenfield deployments in the US and Mexico, combining strategy, engineering, and operational execution into one integrated approach. Don't leave your plant launch to chance. Get it right the first time. To learn more about how we can support your next Greenfield manufacturing facility, visit jrgcg.com and schedule a consultation today. And if you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for more insights on manufacturing transformation, operational excellence, and scalable growth.